The computer. The first working computer was created by Conrad Suss in 1941. This was created to be in the military service to control the new airplanes, codify the messages of the Allies, and other things related to the war. Over the years, this invention began to be used for another purpose, as a tool to advance in the scientific field and improve the technology. It is currently a fundamental part of our lives. Computer use has improved and facilitated many of our daily tasks. The computer keeps getting better so that it can process more information than and maybe in the future computers will be part of our life as an extension of the brain, or they will be probably be more advanced than us and control the world.